Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is another video of this series, which is Azure Learning. And guys, in this video I will discuss about one of the very important topic, which is absolutely very important to understand, and that is like, what is serverless computing? Because if you are dealing with cloud, or if you are working as a cloud administrator, so this term will be coming again and again. It is very familiar in this context. So I hope this video will help you to understand what is serverless computing, and that is what my intention is, to give you the clarity about it. And guys, here there are a couple of things you need to understand. So the very first thing is, here let me tell you about what it is actually. We are going to learn serverless computing. Okay, so here first of all you should understand, the first point is, it is a overlapping with PaaS, okay, platform as a service. And serverless computing enables developer to build applications faster by eliminating the need of them to manage infrastructure. So the meaning of this statement is very simple. If I am a developer who develops an application, an app, so I do not need to worry about the IT infra. I do not need worry to install server, create networking, deploy operating system and all. I can just use this serverless computing and build application faster, and I do not need to worry about any kind of infra here. Very simple. I just need to think about the development of the application. Okay, very simple. And the next thing about it is, with serverless applications, the cloud service provider automatically provisions, scales and manages the infrastructure required to run the code. So it is a automation work basically, and it is managed by service provider only. Okay, and this will be like automatic scaling, automatic manage. I mean, there will be certain technology to be used from service provider end for this kind of facility, for this kind of service, and basically they uses some code. Okay, what does it mean? I will show you here. To run that specific function, they will be using some codes. And guys, next thing, the third point is, serverless architecture are highly scalable and event driven. Okay, they are very highly scalable. You can scale, you can expand at a time whenever it is required, and they use resources only when a specific function or trigger occurs. That is what I was talking about here. They infrastructure required to run the code, so they will be running certain codes, and the resources will be used only when certain function happens, okay, and trigger occurs. So this is the good advantage of using or going for serverless computing, cloud computing, and this technology. So as long as there will be some sort of trigger, at that time only the resource will be used. Unless it will not be used, it will be unused, and you will have to pay for that only which is used. Okay, and other thing about this is if we discuss little more in understanding the definition of serverless computing. Okay, if you want to understand, if you want to know about the definition of serverless computing, it's important to note that servers are still running the code. Yes, if I am deploying any server on cloud, they will be using certain codes. Okay, so you have to understand this. If server is running, they will be using code, and those code will be triggering. There will be some trigger kind of thing, that only that resource will be used, will come into use, I should say. So here code is very important in this technology. Next thing, let me tell you, here the serverless name comes from the fact that the tasks associated with the infrastructure provisioning and management are invisible to the developer. Yes, very simple. This is cloud. I am using Azure, and I am a tenant, and I'm using Azure. I'm sitting at my home. This is my home. Okay, this is my home. I will not be able to see any server and all here, how they have installed, where are my servers, but still I can access, I can get interface, I can take remote virtual machine, and I can deploy my applications. That is what I need to do, and the server management and provisioning infrastructure will be invisible. I won't be able to see how it is infrastructured over there. Okay, that is what the fact about serverless computing. And if I tell you a little more here, this approach enables developer to increase their focus on the business logic and deliver more value to the core of the business. So here, see, very simple. They do not need to worry about the power failure. They do not need to worry about hard disk failure. They do not need to worry about network failure. Okay, and in that time they can just focus on business logics and development, what better they can do, and how they can improve the existing condition of the application or program, whatever they are taking care. Okay, so here this is what the advantage for developers, and yes, they don't have to worry about anything. They just need to focus about their development work. Okay, how good, how better they can deliver to the business, or how they can meet to the business need by giving their more time to development work for the better application development. Okay, because they are far away from this, or far like you should I should say, like they are just completely out of this management work. Okay, they don't have to think even about it. They just need to take remote and finish their work and think about the development on only. And guys, if I say a little more about in this context or in this subject, like serverless, what is serverless computing here? So uh, here serverless computing helps team increase their productivity and bring product to market faster. Very simple. I think just now in previous slide also I spoke about the same thing. This approach enables developer to increase their focus on, yes, they will be focusing on development work, and if they focus on their development work, what will happen here? It will help to get more production. Okay, and bring that production or that product to market very faster. I can develop, for example, if I'm working as a developer and I need to take care of my physical infra, my server, and also half of time my half of my time is going to take care of that physical infra. Server is getting restarted, power is going off, I need to switch it on once again, and couple of things. But if I'm using serverless computing or cloud computing, here I do not need to worry about power failure, hardware failure, anything, because even if it happens, there is a automatic provisions. Okay, automatic technology. So still if something goes wrong, still my production, my application will not be down. Okay, there will not be any downtime. That is the advantage of using uh, cloud computing or serverless computing here. So in that condition, yes, definitely I can give more productive time to my development, and what I can do better, I can think about it. And the next thing, like it allows organization to better optimize resources and stay focused on innovations. Definitely, if you have more time, and you do not need to think on multiple subject, multiple about multiple aspects, so you can focus only on one thing, that is development and production. And new ideas will come because your brain will be free, you will be free, so you only can think on a particular thing to innovate things better and better. Today I did this, tomorrow how can I make it much better? So these are the advantages, guys, using serverless computing or cloud computing here. I hope I hope I was able to deliver you the exact what I wanted to deliver in this video, and you will get very good I mean, I should say, clear overview about what is uh, serverless computing here. And if you feel it was capable, this video, it was able to deliver you the exact what you expected from this video. So please do subscribe and like, comment on this video, and hit this bell icon on your YouTube channel, so definitely you will be getting notifications. So guys, similarly in some other topic I will meet you in next video. And once again, please subscribe my channel and support me little bit. I need your help to grow my channel. And definitely I will talk about some other topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.